What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. For today's video guys, let's talk about BDO Credit Card Annual Membership Fee. Pag-uusapan natin guys, how does BDO Credit Card works? At the same time, paano nga ba magpa-waive or how to waive BDO Credit Card Annual Fee or BDO Credit Card Annual Membership Fee. I-share ko sa inyo guys yung tips at saka kung ano yung dapat nyo gawin para ma-waive sa inyo yung BDO Credit Card ninyo automatically. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, BDO Credit Card annual fees are billed annually. Since ito ay annual fee, so ibig sabihin bawat taon ito i-charge sa inyo. With the first year usually free, fees can be waived by meeting a minimum annual spend, example, 600,000 for some cards. Calling to request a reversal for good payers or agreeing to conditions like enrolling in auto-debit charges or making a new installment purchase. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Isa-isahin natin. BDO Credit Card annual fees are billed annually, which the first year usually free. So, the moment na nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card, guys, tapos na-approve, the first year niyan is wala siyang annual fee. So, meaning, pagka-deliver sa inyo ng credit card, wala munang magre-reflect na annual fee dyan. Ngayon, on the anniversary date ng BDO credit card ninyo, right after ma-approve, approval yung usapan dito, guys, ha? Hindi yung kung kailan nyo siya inactivate. So, meaning, nung nag-apply kayo, tapos nag-text na approve na yung BDO credit card application ninyo, next year, kung anong petsa yan ng buwan, ganun din yan mag-reflect yung annual fee. At saka nakadepende yan, guys, kung magkano yung annual fee ng credit card na meron kayo o yung in-applyan ninyo. Kasi, iba-iba yung annual fee ng bawat credit card ni BDO. Fees can be waived by meeting a minimum annual spend, example, is 600,000 for some cards. So, medyo nakakagulat, guys, no? Kasi 600,000 siya within a year. So, ibig sabihin, the moment na ma-reach mo to, within a year, automatic, mawi-waive yung annual fee ninyo sa BDO credit card na yon. Don't worry guys, kasi ito ay negotiable naman. Mamaya, i-share ko pa sa inyo yung further details. Kasi itong 600,000 is, as is talaga ito siya, na spending requirement para automatic siya mawi-waive or mare-reverse yung BDO credit card annual fee or BDO credit card annual membership fee. Mamaya, may mga tips and benefits kayo na malalaman para ma-waive ninyo yung annual fee ng BDO credit card ninyo kahit hindi kayo nakaabot ng 600,000 spending requirement. Calling to request a reversal for good payers. So, of course, kapag good payer kayo, there's a chance na ma-approve yung BDO credit card annual fee waiving ninyo. Or agreeing to conditions like enrolling in auto charges or making a new installment purchase. So, minsan depende kasi guys sa customer service na makakausap ninyo. Ngayon, pag sinabi nila na, Sir, pwedeng ma-waive yung annual fee ng BDO credit card ninyo kapag bumili kayo ng ganito, may spending requirement in short, at saka kung mag-installment purchase kayo within this given time frame. How does BDO annual fees work? Paano nga ba gumagana yung BDO credit card annual fee? First year fee is free. Most BDO credit cards are offer free annual fee for the first year. Actually, hindi lang siya most. Lahat talaga ng BDO credit card, no annual fee from the first year. Next year na kayo ma-charge kung magkano yung annual fee ng BDO credit card ngayon. Automatic annual fees. Succeeding annual fees are automatically charged to your account. So, automatic na siya guys. On the next year, magkikredit na or magdi-display na doon sa statement of account ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo kung magkano yung annual fee ng BDO credit card na yon. Automatic waivers. Some premium cards, take note, premium cards. Example is yung Platinum, Diamond, Union Pay, offer automatic waivers if you meet high spending requirements. Example is 600,000 pesos yearly. So, meaning, yung mga Platinum card holders or Diamond Union Pay holders is automatic ma-refund or mawi-waive yung BDO credit card annual fee or annual membership fee kapag na-reach ninyo yung 600,000 spending requirements. Automatic yun. Hindi mo na kailangan tumawag sa BDO. Elite promotions. New Elite card holders may get free annual fees for the first 3 years. So, minsan kasi guys, may promotion si BDO credit cards. Which is, kapag nag-upgrade kayo into higher tier ng video credit card ninyo, no annual fee siya for the first 3 years. So, medyo okay yun, no? Medyo matagal. Like, for example, yung credit card nyo ngayon is Video Gold Mastercard lang. Tapos, tumawag si Video Credit Card Representative, pinapa-upgrade into higher tier or Platinum. Ngayon, Elite Promotions yan. So, minsan nag-offer sila na up to 3 years na wala kayong babayaran na annual fee. O di ba laking tipid din yun? Kasi yung mga Platinum guys is around 4,000 yung annual fee. At saka yung Visa Signature is 5,500. How to waive video annual fee? So, ngayon, ito na yung exciting part or crucial part ng vlog na ito, which is how to waive BDO credit card annual fee. Una yung dapat gawin is call BDO customer service. Contact the hotlines as soon as the fee appears to request a waiver. So, the moment na mapansin ninyo guys na may nag-reflect na BDO annual membership fee or annual fee dyan sa statement of account ninyo or sa transaction history ng BDO credit cards ninyo, tawagan nyo kaagad yung BDO customer service. Pangalawa is meet spending requirements. Maintain consistent use of your card as BDO often checks spending history before granting a waiver. So, make sure guys na yung BDO credit card na yun is gamit na gamit siya. Kasi kadalasan, pinifree lang ni BDO customer service yung annual fee kapag okay yung records mo, okay yung payments mo, lahat ng history, gamit na gamit mo yung BDO credit card ninyo. Pangatlo is accept conditions. So, meron kasing binibigay na condition si BDO customer service representative para ma-waive yung BDO credit card annual fee ninyo. BDO may require you to meet specific conditions to waive the annual fee such as making new installment purchase. So, ano nga bang ibig sabihin nito guys? Kapag nag-purchase kayo, which is installment siya, could be paid into 2 years or 3 years. Using your card for bills payment o to charge. Ngayon kapag tulad sa PLDT, Meralco, lahat-lahat ng mga charges, basta ipa-auto charge ninyo yung credit card niyo sa BDO, nagbibigay sila minsan ng free membership fee or annual membership fee which is nire-refund or wini-waive. Spending a minimum amount within a specific period. So meaning, bibigyan kayo ng kung magkano, like for example, 20,000, spend mo to within 30 days, kailangan mo ma-meet yun or kailangan mo magastos yung 20,000 na yun para ma-waive yung BDO credit card annual fee na yun. Take note lang guys, in spending, no, like for example, binigyan kayo ng 20,000 spending requirement or 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, depende yan minsan. Depende sa BDO credit card na meron kayo. Make sure lang guys na kaya nyo bayaran yun. Kasi imagine, no, yung pinapa-waive mo lang is 2,500 or di kaya 4,500. Tapos pinapa-spend kayo ng 30,000 or 40,000, malaki yun. Ngayon, kung hindi mo kayang bayaran, wag mo nang pilitin. Bayaran mo na lang yung 4,000 plus. Kesa naman sa malubog kayo sa 20,000 spending requirement, di ba? Use reward points. In some cases, you may be able to use your credit card reward points to pay for the annual fee. So ngayon, minsan kung may malaking points yung BDO credit card na yon, pwede nyo gamitin yun guys para pambayad ng annual fee sa BDO credit card ninyo. Yun yung maganda kasi pag ginagamit nyo talaga, gamit na gamit, naipon yung points, umabot ng 4,000 plus, pwedeng i-convert yun into BDO credit card annual fee waiver. Kasi yung bawat 1 point ng BDO credit card is equivalent to 1 peso. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Yun lang po. Bye-bye!